I'm Kathy Hansen, a local Denver area realtor, and today I'm in Morrison, Colorado at Lennar Homes, new construction. You can hear the noise in the background here. We are at the Skyline Collection. Today we're going to go check out the model that they have named the Boulevard. This property is about 2,350 square feet. It's 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and these ones are priced in the high 7s, low 8s, kind of a roundabout figure there for you. That's how new construction works. Now let's go on in and take a look around. amazing. Gosh, you are here in Morrison, right at the base of the foothills. You are super close to the world famed Rocks Amphitheater. If you haven't been there for a concert, I highly suggest you go. It's rather amazing. So many people go there on Saturdays and Sundays to exercise. It's really kind of cool people watching if you like that as well. You can get up to the mountains, to the ski resorts in about 2 hours from this location, depending on traffic. But if you just wanted to go to the foothills and go hiking or biking, you've got Mount Falcon Park, you've got Lair of the Bear. Those are within about a 10-15 minute drive from here, and you can be in the foothills feeling like you're away from it all. Also real close to this area is Bear Creek State Park, and in the state park there is a lake. You can paddleboard on the lake, you can do other lake activities, you can swim, you can fish. There's plenty of hiking trails, biking trails in that state park as well, so you're real close to that. Now this community is new and they're still building the community, but the community is going to have a splash pad, it's going to have parks, it's going to have some trails around it, and there is an HOA here. The HOA here runs about $81 a month. If I haven't mentioned, you can get to downtown Denver from here in about 15-20 minutes as well. You have easy access to the highways. So if you're interested in learning more about this community, gosh, there's 5 or 6 different floor plans. They range from the 7s to the 800,000. I'm happy to do a tour for you. I'm happy to do a private showing. I would love just to show you this awesome community. Now, I'm Kathy Hansen, a local Denver area realtor, and if you're new to this channel, hit that like or subscribe button to get those notifications so when I create new videos once a week, you'll be notified. I do videos on the home buying and selling process, and along with community videos so you can see what it's like to live in the suburbs of Denver.